Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the trailing arm bushing for 2009 s80 T6. I did a similar project on 2012 XC60 last year. On both sides, I finished in one day, but I tried to replace this on the same thing on the s80. Looks like it's a little bit harder because limited space here. So basically, what I do is take out this bolt, take another bolt down there. This is for this is a link. Take off the link. Also take the strut bolt down there. Kind of difficult to see. Strut bolt, you can see here. Yeah, probably see a strut bolt here. Also loose this bolt. Lift the both side off so you can push down. Push it on the sway bar link. It's a trailing arm bush. Trailing arm using a small jack, small bottle jack. Yeah, like this. So you need to lift it. You need to push down enough so the pushing tool can lay on underneath the gas tank. Also need to support the spring under spring with water jack or just a scissor jack. That should be fine. Then you can go in to push. It's okay. So you go down, and now it's a tree. So trailing arm already pushed down enough. So the pushing tool can just slide underneath the gas tank. Also using a support with a 6x6 and a small piece of wood. Set up this one line up here. So lean right on the other side. And set up the bushing, just line up with a notch, some metal plates, and you can push like this. Okay. Using a long bar, it's very hard. So if you have a long enough extension bar, you can actually, see. Extension bar long enough so you can turn the nuts over there outside if you have long extensions. So for me, I did most of this on this. I'm very tired, so I found out that I can make a very long extension. So I can tie it over here. So the rest, then once they're done, once they're done, you just there are two bolts, tie up 2 bolts, and tie up the nuts. Another bolts maybe, yeah, on here. That's it. So it's kind of. Yeah, it's not easy. Okay, this one because very limited, very difficult to push. It's space limited. Also, make sure this one, this metal plate is hit on here. Okay, hit on the metal, which is holding for the gas tank. Because don't want to break the plastic gas tank. Otherwise, big trouble. Okay. Thank you for watching.